Well, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you Craftmas DIY number 4. If you want to know more about the 12 Days of Craftmas event, just head on over to my community tab and there you'll find the information pertaining to it. Now, without further ado, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So as you can see, I am removing all of the wrapping from around all 4 of these little mini picture frames that you can purchase from the Dollar Tree. And I am going to say this: these are great for those pictures that your kids and grandkids bring home, and when family want to give you little small pictures like those 3x5, you're like, what am I gonna do with this? This is what you want to use for those. And so I am going to make a barnyard style rock planter using these. And I should say succulent planter. One thing about me, you will learn that I absolutely love succulents. I love creating projects using them. I love styling my office using them. I will use a side table in my home with succulents. I absolutely love succulents. And now I'm just adding some glue inside the perimeter of the inside part of this frame. And I did not use a lot of glue because I didn't want it to seep out, but I should have used a little more than what I used. I did use a light coat. And by using that light coat, the glass kept popping out. But nevertheless, we are going to create a box out of these frames. And as you can see, I am just making sure that I add a generous amount of that glue and trying to get this as even as possible. If you know, like I know, some of the picture frames that you purchase from Dollar Tree are not created equal. Even though they're the same frame, even though they have the same UPC barcode, they're not treated equal. And as close as I thought this was to being the same size, it was off by at least a half inch, at least 2 of the frames. But nevertheless, we're going to make this look high-end and professional. So I'm using these little sticks to create a base for this planter. And then now I'm just using a gun to get rid of some of the glue strands that were just hanging around like they were trying to keep me company. And now I'm using a piece of this cardboard that came inside of one of the Chinese plates that we had probably a month or 2 ago. I like keeping those. And then even though I use it as a paint tray, and no one's going to see it, so I am going to add it to the bottom of this planter. Now I know you may be asking, why did I go through the trouble of gluing down those sticks just to put a piece of cardboard on the bottom? Because one is going to offer more support, and when I add the rocks, I don't have to worry about it pushing its way through. Guys, I pray that you've had a great Monday. If you're watching this video, this is Craftmas Day 4 video. And I hope that you are enjoying the content that I've been uploading for this event. And I also hope that you take some inspiration and decide to, even if you have crafts that you made for Christmas and you're not going to style your home with them for the Christmas season this year, pass them on to a well-deserved family, someone who is less fortunate and can't afford to go out and buy beautiful home decor pieces or buy any Christmas decor. Besides, you have next year to recreate all those and more. So as you can see, I am trying to kind of mask the imperfections of this piece. Like I said, the frames were not treated equal, so they were not leveled. And so I wanted to give the appearance or the illusion that this was a piece that was actually made this way. And I take my hat off because it really looks good. I'm not lying to you guys. I'm not. It's cute. But I'll save that for the end. And as you can see, I'm just doing my version of measuring all the way around with these little strips of wood. They call them something. I just don't know what, the correct name for them. If you do, just put it in the box. And what you see here is the completed project. This is the reveal, guys. I told you it was cute. I have painted the whole planter black, and I added the little barnyard crisscross using some of those barbecue skewers or meat skewers. And I think this turned out really cute. I added the rocks as well as some moss. And guys, if you like this project, please give me a thumbs up. And also, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button. And until the next Craftmas video, bye.